You're watching Expert Village. I'm your host, Grace Fraga, with arts and crafts and everything fun. And today we are going to learn how to make a multi-dimensional t-shirt. We have here our expert, Chantel Tibbs from Wear Me Naked. How are you doing, Chantel?
Doing awesome. How you doing?
I'm doing great.
Cool.
I am so excited to learn how to make this type of t-shirt where you use different materials and paint and fabrics and all kinds of good stuff to make a fun t-shirt, a unique, one-of-a-kind t-shirt.
Yeah, well, we're making a three-dimensional t-shirt today. There are different ways that you could use a three-dimensional t-shirt. There's some people that would attach like a tie to their t-shirt. Some people might have buttons. Some people might have glitter. Some people might have any kind of way that you could add something extra pieces of fabric, anything like that, just to come off because you think, okay, we're going to make a t-shirt today. You think, okay, we're going to, paint on top of a t-shirt, which is, the standard way of doing it. Nothing wrong with that. But sometimes you could think outside the box. You could have a three-dimensional t-shirt.
That's right.
Wear Me Naked's signature three-dimensional thing that we do, it's our little trait, is we use a lot of patches. As you can see here, this is the one patch that I use. It says Redistribute. This design is called Redistribute, and there is a little patch there. And then on the back, we chose to put a patch as well that says Wear Me Naked. So
nice.
We're going to teach you how to do this. And don't worry, you don't necessarily need to know how to sew, or you don't even have to have yours sewn. You can use fabric glue.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's great. Well, I can't wait to get started. So next, we're going to start with the step number 1 on how to make a multi-dimensional t-shirt.